Namaskar. Myself Dr. Suprit welcomes you all in the weekly weather discussion of India Meteorological Department. Today date is 6th March and we'll start with the silent features of weather observed ending on 5th, that is yesterday. So two western disturbance 27 to 2nd March and the second one is 2nd to 5th March. They caused a longer wet spell in western Himalaya region with extremely heavy rainfall and snowfall on 28th February. Also fairly widespread to widespread rainfall snowfall over Jammu and Kashmir, Himachal Pradesh, Uttarakhand from 27 February to 1st March. Also fairly widespread to widespread rainfall was observed over Punjab and Haryana on 28th and 1st March. Then heavy to very heavy rainfall with extremely heavy rainfall at isolated places over Jammu and Kashmir on 28th February, and then heavy to very heavy rainfall at isolated places over Himachal Pradesh and Punjab on 28th February. Apart from that, heavy rainfall also observed at isolated place over Jammu Kashmir on 27th February, Uttarakhand on 28th February, Himachal Pradesh, Uttarakhand and Tamil Nadu on 1st March. Then thunderstorm recorded at isolated places over Jammu Kashmir, Himachal Pradesh, Uttarakhand on 27th February, Jammu Kashmir, Himachal Pradesh, Punjab on 28th February, Uttarakhand, Punjab, Haryana and Chandigarh, Uttar Pradesh, Bihar, South Tamil Nadu, Kerala and Mahe, Lakshadweep on 1st March. Then hailstorm was also reported at several places over Jammu and Kashmir, Himachal Pradesh, Jammu Kashmir, Uttarakhand, Punjab, Haryana, West Uttar Pradesh and North Rajasthan during the past week. If you see the weekly average minimum temperature, it was above 1 to 3 degrees centigrade over parts of north, northwest and west coast of India, and also after that near normal over remaining parts of the country during the week. If you talk about weekly average maximum temperature, it was above normal by 1 to 3 degrees centigrade over northern, western and central India, and below normal by 1 to 3 degrees centigrade over parts of northeast India and near normal over south peninsular India during the week. Apart from that, heat wave conditions observed at isolated places over Konkan on 27th February, Konkan and coastal Karnataka on 28th February. Now we will see the silent features of week 1, that is the forecast of the next week. So a fresh western disturbance is likely to affect western Himalaya region from 9th March. Under its influence, scattered to fairly widespread light to moderate rainfall and snowfall likely over Jammu and Kashmir, Himachal Pradesh during 9 to 12, and isolated light to moderate rainfall and snowfall likely over Uttarakhand during 10 to 12 March. Under the favorable synoptic condition, scattered to light moderate rainfall snowfall accompanied with thunderstorm and lightning likely over Arunachal Pradesh, Assam on 6th and 7th and over Nagaland on 7th March. Then isolated to scattered light to moderate rainfall accompanied with thunderstorm lightning with gusty winds where speeds 30 to 40 km per hour likely over Bihar on 8th with thunderstorm and lightning over Sikkim on 7th and 8th March. Strong surface winds about 25 to 35 km per hour gusting to 40 km per hour likely to prevail over the plains of northwest India including Delhi till afternoon hours of today, that is 6th March. Heat wave very likely to prevail over Konkan and Goa on 9th and 10th March. Hot and humid weather then likely to prevail over Konkan and Goa, Kerala, Mahe, coastal Karnataka, coastal Andhra Pradesh, Yanam, Gujarat during this week. Apart from these, no significant likely over rest part of the country during the week. And if you see the silent features of the week 2 forecast, so under the influence of western disturbance, scattered to fairly widespread rainfall and snowfall is likely over western Himalaya region during the first half of the week, that is the week 2 from 13th to 19th March. Also light to moderate scattered to fairly widespread rainfall is also likely to over northeast India and south peninsular India. Overall rainfall is likely to below normal over all the homogeneous regions of the country during the second week except northeast and south peninsular India where it is likely to be near normal during the week. Maximum temperatures are likely to above by 2 to 3 degrees centigrade over many parts of northwest India and along west and east coast of India. It is likely to be near normal or below normal over rest part of the country. There is also low to moderate probability of heat wave conditions over interior Odisha and north coastal Andhra Pradesh in the second week. Now we will see the weather system during past week. So there were two western disturbances as mentioned earlier, and the longer wet spell over western Himalaya region during the week was due to the slow moving intense western disturbance during the that is the first western disturbance, and also in conjunction with the induced low pressure area over West Rajasthan and adjoining parts of Pakistan and the resultant moisture supply from the Arabian Sea. Now we'll see the observed rainfall, snowfall during the last week in centimeters. So in Jammu Kashmir on 27th, Banihal recorded 8 centimeters, that was the highest. On 28th February, Jammu Kashmir, Udhampur recorded 21 centimeters, that was the highest. In Himachal Pradesh, highest rainfall recorded was Kothi, Kullu, that is 13 centimeters. In Uttarakhand, Devprayag recorded 9 centimeters, that was the highest in Uttarakhand. And on 1st March, Himachal Pradesh in Bhuntar, Kullu recorded 11. So as Joginder Nagar, that was the highest. Joginder Nagar, Shivbag all recorded 11 centimeters. In Uttarakhand, highest rainfall recorded was 9 centimeters. And on 2nd March in Tamil Nadu, Sri Vaikuntham, Thoothukudi district, that is 11 centimeter highest rainfall was recorded. And on 3rd March, on 2nd March, Arunachal Pradesh, Huailang AWS recorded 10 centimeter. In Assam, Meghalaya, Margherita district, Tinsukia was highest 7 centimeters. On 3rd March, in Tamil Nadu, highest rainfall recorded was Kanyakumari, Kodi Porvalai, that is 15 centimeters. And on Kerala, it was airport Chakka in Thiruvananthapuram, that is 7 centimeter. If you see the weekly temperature scenario during the past week, so this map shows the maximum and minimum temperature and also mean temperature and their departure from the long period average. You can see that weekly average minimum temperatures were above normal by 1 to 3 degrees centigrade over parts of north, northwest and west coast of India and near normal over remaining parts of the country. And also weekly maximum temperature was above normal by 1 to 3 degrees centigrade over northwestern and central India and below normal by 1 to 3 degrees centigrade of parts of northeast India and near normal over south Peninsular India during the week. The lowest minimum temperature of 4 degrees centigrade has been recorded at Fatehpur, Rajasthan on 5th March and the highest maximum temperature of 40.2 degrees centigrade has been recorded at Kannur Airport, Kerala on 28th February. Now the heat and heat wave and hot and humid day condition during past week. So this picture shows that as mentioned earlier, heat wave conditions observed at isolated places over Konkan on 27th and Konkan and coastal Karnataka on 28th February as mentioned earlier. Also, now we'll see the past weeks and the overall seasons, rainfall and departure. So this image shows, the first image shows the rainfall during the past week, where it was large excess rainfalls were recorded over most of the this northwestern states, and the large deficiency was in eastern Uttar Pradesh and Bihar, and that also large excess was in Tamil Nadu, Kerala and northeastern states. Overall season, if you see that deficient rainfall over Jammu Kashmir, Punjab, Haryana and eastern Rajasthan, and the large deficiency was most of the central and east India. If you see the numbers, so the departure was for east and northeast, it was departure was excess plus 43 degrees plus 43%, and for northwest India departure was large excess, that is 879%, and central India and was large deficient, that is minus 99%, and then south peninsula was large excess, and the country overall has a large excess rainfall. Of seasonal, if you see, it was most of the places it was a deficient except central India, where it was a large deficient rainfall. Now we'll see the forecast for next 2 weeks rainfall forecast. Overall rainfall is likely to be below normal over all the homogeneous country over the country during the week, except South Peninsular India, where it is likely to be near normal. For week 2, that is overall rainfall is likely to be below normal over all the homogeneous regions of the country during week, except Northeast and South Peninsular India, where it is likely to be near normal during the week. Now the forecast for maximum temperature, that is day temperatures during week 1. So maximum temperatures are likely to be above normal by 2 to 3 degrees centigrade over many parts of northwest India and along west and east coast of India. It is likely to be near normal or below normal over rest part of the country. Gradual rise in maximum temperatures by 3 to 5 degrees centigrade likely over northwest, central India and Gujarat state during next 4 to 5 days. Apart from that, no significant change in maximum temperatures likely over East India during next 2 days, and then there is gradual rise is forecasted by 2 to 3 degrees centigrade. Then if you talk about Maharashtra, there is no significant change in maximum temperatures for next 24 hours, but gradual rise by 2 to 4 degrees centigrade is forecasted thereafter. For week 2, maximum temperatures are likely to be of normal by 2 to 3 degrees centigrade over many parts of northwest India, East India and along west and east coast of India. It is likely to be near normal or below normal over rest part of the country. Now if you see the heat wave forecast during next 2 weeks, as the image shows that The heat wave is likely to prevail over Konkan and Goa on 9th to 10th March, and then hot and humid weather very likely to prevail over Konkan and Goa, Kerala and Mahe, coastal Karnataka during the next week. And for the week 2, that is after this, there is a low to moderate probability of heat wave conditions over interior Odisha and north coastal Andhra Pradesh as shown in the picture. So now we'll extended range outlook for cyclogenesis. So there is no likelihood of cyclogenesis over the North Indian Ocean region during the next 2 weeks. However, there is a likelihood of active easterly waves during the first half of the week 1 around 8th March. It is likely to move nearly westward towards Comoran area across northeast equatorial Indian Ocean and adjoining south of Bay of Bengal during the subsequent days. For more details, please log on to our website. Also, you can download our Android and iOS apps, Mausam, Damini and Meghdut apps. Thank you very much. Namaskar. Jai Hind.